Hey Princeton K. Okay, today we are getting ready to do our lesson for the day. So today's lesson looks a little different because there really aren't any problems on it. There are a lot of words. So parents, for today's lesson, it's going to be really helpful if you can help your students along with this lesson because there's a lot of reading that goes with it. I'm only going to be doing the first problem with the students. So if you can be with them side by side, helping them with the rest of their problems, this is going to be a lesson where they're going to need you to help them read what they need to do for the problems for this lesson, okay? So today's lesson, Princeton K, is lesson 18. It looks like this. Like I said, there's a lot of words on it. So whoever is around with you that can help you read this sheet for you, you're going to need just a little bit of help because I'm just going to do this first part with you up here. You're going to need a helper to help you do the rest of this, okay? So find somebody that can help you. There's another part up here, or another page, not another part, but another page. You need this page too. It kind of looks like a Rec and Rec, but on a piece of paper, you're going to need that as well. And then you're going to need some crayons, okay? So the crayons that you're going to need 5 colors. You're going to need yellow, red, green, purple, and blue. So if you have these, awesome. If you don't, maybe you have markers in this color, get that. If you have colored pencils in this color, get that. But these are the 5 colors you need, okay? So pause the video if you need to get all this stuff. Do that. We're going to do a couple examples really quick, and then we'll get into our worksheet, okay? You got everything? Awesome job. Okay, so really quick, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the sheet with the Rec and Rec on it. So if you want to grab that sheet so we can look at it together, this looks very similar to my big Rec and Rec that I have. We've counted on this before. This has 10 tens, and we know that 10 tens makes 100, right? And we're going to see if this Rec and Rec also has 10 tens on it. So let's see. We're going to count the say 10 way. We're not going to count 10, 20, 30. We're going to do it the say 10 way. Okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10. What do we call these? We call these rows, right? We say this is a row. It goes from left to right. Correct? Yeah. So we have 10 in a row. So let's see. We have 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. So are these the same? 10 tens and 10 tens? Yeah, so you basically have what I have, just it doesn't move like mine does, which is okay. But we can still count on this one just like we do on mine. So what we're going to do is we are going to find some numbers on our Rec and Rec, okay? So just like what we did yesterday with looking at our 10 frames and looking at the tens and how many ones we need, we're going to kind of do the same thing. So I have my kind of like my T chart here where I have my tens and my ones, and I'm going to write a number here. And we're going to look for that number. We're going to find the tens, and then we're going to find some ones, and we're going to see if we can find a number. Okay, so the first number that we're going to look for is the number 27, because that's how old Mrs. V is. I'm 27, and you know, that's how old Mrs. Gloria is. We're both 27, so we're going to look for the number 27. Okay, so 27. How many tens are in 27? What do we see? 2, right? So we know that when we counted all the way down, we had 10 tens. So I'm going to count. How many tens did we say? Oh, yep, right up there. 2 tens. So I have 1 10, 2 tens. So I've gone through 1 10, and I've gone through 2 tens. So that means here I have 20. So if I were to go all the way through there, I would have 20. So now I need to go down to my next 10. I'm not going to say 30 because I'm not going to say 3 tens, but this is where I'm going to start counting my ones. So this is where I would start counting 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, right? Because I needed to find 7 ones. So this is where 27 is. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, I want us to find the number 58. 58. How many tens in 58? 5. And how many ones? 8. Okay, so we have our tens, we have our ones. We need to find our tens first. So let's count. We need to find 5 tens. So 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay, so now we need to find how many ones? 8 ones. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. There's 58 right there. If we needed to, we could go back and we could do 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay? So this is how we are finding and able to look for our numbers that are big like this, like the number 58. Let's do an even bigger number. You guys ready? Are you ready for a challenge, Miss K? All right. Let's do the number. Ready? I don't think you're ready. I can't hear you. Are you ready, Kristen K? Are you ready for a challenge? Okay, the number 94. 94! Oh my gosh! Okay, 94. It's a really big number. Oh my gosh. Okay, 94. How many tens is that? It's 9 tens. That's a lot. Okay, 9 tens and how many ones? 4. Okay, we need to find 9 tens. Okay, let's go. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, okay? And now we need to find how many ones? 4. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 94, right there, that dot right there. That's where 94 would be on a Reckon Rec. So, this is how we are finding our big numbers. If something like this, if this helped you just like it did yesterday with our work, make something like this so that you can see how many tens you need and then how many ones you need, okay? This is a big help, Kristen K. It helps me, so I guarantee it'll help you, okay? So let's get our paper, this sheet right here, okay? And one thing that I want to do really quick, and as I want to help you because I want you to look for your color words really quick. I see some color words all throughout here that I want to help highlight, okay? So, as I'm looking through here, I see the color green. It says color 28 green. So I want you to circle that so you know that you need to color it green, okay? Then let's see what else. Oop, here we go. Color 34 with a red crayon. Okay, remember, we need red. So color 34 with a red crayon. So circle that one so you know that it needs to be red. What else? Oh, yellow. Color 45 yellow. So get your yellow crayon like I have. Circle that so you know that it needs to be yellow. Ooh, the next one says, get your blue crayon because this one says color 52 with a blue crayon. There we go. This next one, color 83 purple. So get your purple crayon, color 83 purple. Okay, and the last one down here, color 77 with a red crayon. We're using red one more time. So circle that with red. Okay? So, here you go, Princeton K. Again, try and do this with somebody who can help you read it so that you know what you need to do so that you do a really good job on this worksheet, okay? So, you need to have both your worksheet and your Rec and Rec available because you're going to be coloring on this Rec and Rec sheet, okay? So, this first says, hide to show just 40. So you need to be able to see 40, okay? Touch and count the circles until you say 28. Color 28 green. So that means you just need to color the dot that is 28 green. So let's look here really quick. Let's do our 28 on our T-chart here. 28. What do we know about 28? It has 2 10s and 8 1s. We know that 28, it says color 28 what? Green. So I'm going to get my green crayon. So 2 10s. Let's see. 1 10. 2 10s. And how many 1s? 8. Let's go. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So that circle right there, I'm going to color it green. Okay? And that's it. That's all we're doing. You're just going to color that one circle, okay? So let's look at this next one. So it says touch and count each circle from 28 to 34. Okay? Then it says color 34 with a red crayon. So we're going to color that 34th circle red. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. I don't need my T-chart. So I need to count from 28 to what number? 34. And I need to color the 34th circle red. So 28. Let's keep counting, okay? Count by ones. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. And I need to color it red. And that's it. That's all you need to do. So, for the rest of these things right here, for the rest of these instructions, Princeton K, you have to follow what it says. And you're going to have to color the circles, the colors that it says. Okay? So, Princeton K, I hope you enjoy having fun. This is a little different, but I hope you have fun coloring. And if you have any questions, have your parents feel free to text me, call me, do what you need to do. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. Keep rocking it out. And I will see you in our next video. Bye, Princeton K.